Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a time limit for interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now go down and tap on interaction control. Then to use interaction control, make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on interaction control shortcut. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Next, open up an app that you would like to use with interaction control. Then I'm going to use one of the shortcuts, which is by pressing on the side key plus the volume up key. So press and let go will open up a menu. From here, I will start interaction control. Then before I will start the interaction control, I will tap on options. Then tap on time limit. In here, you will be able to set a time limit for your interaction control. So here I will set it for say 2 minutes and then tap on done as an example. After that, tap on the back key. So tap on the back key at the top here. Then select the area that you want to use or that you want to block for the interaction control. So here I've got the top and the bottom. The bottom will block out the navigation bar and the top will block out the notification panel. Now I'm going to tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can set the time limit. Now this will be switched on for 2 minutes, after which time expire, interaction control will be automatically switched off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.